The flight was amazing. I thought this flight was very cool. I love this flight. By the way, now I'm going to add something available. Hey, where's my snacks? Can I turn on the light? It's so dark. But it's already midnight. I know, right? Oh, it's morning, but the light is off because... Ah! What the hell? Ah! Whoa! It's earthquake. What? Something this is not right. It's earthquake, you know? Where's my snacks? I thought. There's my snacks. Now I'm going to bed here. Hey, what about Coca-Cola? Oh no. Maybe I'll pick. Oh, there you are, Coca-Cola. Now time for eat. Sorry, little boy. I'm going to. I'm gonna remove this. Good. Electric. Huh? What the? Fine. I'll go to bathroom. See. Now I need to hand wash. Good boy. Next. I'm going there. I don't feel well displaying. Ah! Another earthquake. Wow! What's that? Ah! Is this fire? What kind of fire I have to escape with before? Ah! A multiple fire! Oh no! Get my suitcase! Oh, that's too heavy! Forget about this! Where's the bathroom? Hey! Come on, bathroom! Hey! No! It's burning! It's burning! Hey, go there! I'm burning! Emergency! Oh no. Luckily I got. I'm safe now. Wait, what is the fire here? Wait, where am I? What kind of place is this? Where's the airplane? What? I'm done? But I love Wondy. By the way, hey, that's a joke, isn't it? So tired of this story. Why the palm taste is very bigger? I thought it's small, didn't it? It's so huge, huh? What? Fire? Let's check inside. Looks numb than I thought. Nothing is here. But let's try to go again. Okay, so I'm going to add a food time. There's a plate. Huh? Wait, where's my plate? Oh, there's. I put there. Now the chickens. What's that? I haven't seen this before. Maybe we can check inside. Check inside. Orange chickens.